Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some great things to share with you today. First of all, we have some new clear blocks. Now you're saying, Stephanie, that's not clear. Well, you know what? You're going to peel off that protective coating and it is clear underneath. But we have two different sizes. Now these are nice because they're the grip ones. I actually use these all the time. You've probably seen me using these. These are nice because they have that little extra grip so you can kind of get your fingers in there to grip them. So we have this one in a 3.25 inch grip, and then we also have a 2-pack of a smaller version. So go check those out on the website. Then we're also releasing some die sets that came out in our kit clubs years ago that Ken found. So there's this cute little flower, and there's also this special friend. Then Kenny put together, this is by special request. If you ever saw us at a show, or sometimes if you were a club member years ago, we would send out mini stamp sets for free, or you would get them like for $2.99 in our booth, or sometimes if you spent a certain amount of money, we would give you one of these. Well, we have extras, and because after every year we don't re-release those, so we just have some extras. So Ken put together some grab bags. Now, there are 6 in each bag. Every bag is close to being the same, but sometimes there's going to be some different. But if you're going to buy this, only buy one for yourself, okay? Don't buy 2 thinking you're going to get 12 different ones. We can't guarantee that. But some are going to be the same, some are going to be different. If you have a friend that stamps, maybe buy 2, and then you guys can mix and match, because some you might already have, some you might not have at all. But the value alone on these makes it worth trying to get at least one. Now, the one I have in my hand has the mini seashells in it. Now, not everyone will have that, but, and I see some flower, I see some good stuff in here, so I'll probably keep this one for myself. But mini stamp grab bag, and you're going to have fun with this. Again, don't get 2 for yourself because chances are there's going to be some duplicates, but get 1, you'll have some fun with this one. Now, we are also re-releasing, taking out of the vault, taking it out of retirement, and there's a limited supply. Because so many people requested it, we try to always listen to our customers. The Hummingbird class. I hear you all running to your computer to order it. The Hummingbird class is available for a limited time, the recorded version. Now, what do you get in this? You get to watch the recorded class as many times as you want. Once you purchase this class, it's in your video section for the rest of ever, right? You're getting the stamp set, you're getting the die set, and you're getting the stencil as well. Look at how gorgeous, this is just one that Kristen made. Look at how gorgeous those hummingbirds are. Aren't they beautiful? Now, this is not one of the class cards, but there's a class where it made 3 cards, fun projects. You're gonna get the supply list, you'll get everything else, but this, oh, I'm sorry. And it comes with the extra requested basket folded on the back. So you have the dies on this side, the basket folded on this side. I know, it's amazing. So go check it out. It's limited. It was in retirement. We brought it out of the vault because we had so many people requesting this one. So if you like this one, get it quick before it's gone again. Then it might be a couple more years, 2 or 3 or 4 years before it's brought out of the vault again. So go get it quick. Now, club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, you're missing out. What are you waiting for? It's only $11.95 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month. So go check it out at theStampsOfLife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.